Here's the X429 installation video. If you encounter any issues during setup or usage, feel free to reach out to us via the customer service email listed on the back of the instruction manual, bx429@outlook.com. Step 1. Insert the screws, 74, from the tool kit through the screw holes of the rear tube, 8, and the main frame, 1. Fixed with M8 cover nut, 75. Curved spacers, 76. Tighten with wrench, 93. Insert the screws, 74, from the tool kit through the screw holes of the front tube, 9, and the main frame, 1. Curved spacers, 76. Tighten with wrench, 93. Step 2. Find the corresponding pedal. Apply anaerobic adhesive, 89, to threads. Align the holes and use a wrench, 73, to hold them in place. Install the left pedal, 26, in the same way. Note, be sure to tighten the pedal correctly. Step 3. Insert the connecting elbow, 3, into the main frame, 1. Secure with screw, 81, M6 arc-shaped gaskets, 79, and M6 flat gasket, 40. Tighten with Allen wrench, 94. Note, distinguish between number 40 and number 79 mounting locations. Step 4. Align the backrest frame, 5, with the holes in the seat tube, 6. Secure with M8 45 screws, 82, M8 flat gasket, 83, and M8 lock nut, 48. Finally, tighten with a socket wrench, 93. Align the backrest handrail, 12, with the holes in the backrest frame, 5. Secure with M8 40 screw, 77, and M8 arc shims, 76. Finally, tighten with a hex socket wrench, 72. Align the backrest cushion, 33, with the holes in the backrest frame, 5. Secure with M8 40 screw, 77, and M8 flat gasket, 83. Finally, tighten with a hex socket wrench, 72. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the back of the cushion, 31. Align the seat cushion, 31, with the holes in the seat tube, 6. Secure with the pre-installed screws you just unscrewed. Finally, tighten with a socket wrench, 93. Step 5. Loosen the pin, 29, counterclockwise and pull it outward, then insert the seat tube, 6, into the main frame, 1, and tighten the knob, 29, clockwise. Align the handrail, 7, with the holes in the connecting elbow, 3. Secure with M8*40 screw, 77, and M8 arc-shaped gasket, 76. Finally, tighten with a hex socket wrench, 72. Step 6. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the back of the monitor, 52. Align the monitor, 52, with the holes in the connecting elbow, 3. Secure with the pre-installed screws you just unscrewed. Finally, tighten with a hex socket wrench, 72. Plug the 2 sensing wires into the electronic meter. Organize excess sensing wires and snap them into the card slot. Step 7. Method 1, attach the pull cord, 1, to the rear foot tube, 2. Attach the pull rope, number 57, to the main frame, number 1. Secure the pulley block of the pull rope, number 57, with the pin, 37. Note, when the pull cord is not in use, snap the pull cord, 57, onto the snap of the main frame, 1. Can facilitate loading and unloading. When using the pull rope, remove the rope to prevent the carabiner from wearing out the rope.